Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a game or start a game with this module called pygame. I'm using Python. Python is a programming language. Over here I have a terminal window open, which you can do by typing terminal here and pressing enter. I used the command cd to enter the directory where I am currently working over here in Atom. And I created a new file called start.py in the folder and just have a few lines of code. I started by importing pygame. Pygame is not installed in Python by default, so I needed to type pip3 install pygame. The 3 is because I'm using Python 3. After that, I saw some messages and then the module was successfully installed, and that takes care of this line here so that I can import the module. Then I made my own function called start game, where I put the line of code pygame.init. This is more user-friendly than this text here. So that's why I wrote a function. And finally, I called start game to test it. And in the terminal, I was able to see a message. I will do that again so that you can see. I call Python 3 start py, and I see the version of pygame that is installed, and it is 2.5.2, even though I'm using Python 3, and I get this little message from pygame, hello from the pygame community, and there is a link that I can click on. So that is a quick introduction on how to get started with pygame, and I will be working with this module in the future. So if you would like to follow along, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.